Are you looking for a body cameras for law enforcement? In this video, I will show you the 5 best body cameras for law enforcement based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the CamPro 1296P. Police body camera, often utilized by law enforcement to record their interactions with the public or gather video evidence at crime scenes. Nowadays it's also widely used in military, public service, and citizen surveillance. i826 body-worn camera is the most classical and popular product developed by CamPro. It is a full-featured police camera for simple recording. Built-in 64GB large memory, there will be plenty of space to store all video captured throughout your upcoming working days. 1296p HD recording. This body camera, equipped with high-intensity infrared LEDs, also capture clear footage up to 50 feet away in pitch-black darkness. Camera is extremely rugged and durable, capable of withstanding the harshest weather and working conditions. The 4th product on the list is the GRC 1296p body camera. Compact body camera. This X3H2 police body cameras with audio recording wearable is equipped with 2 stable 360 rotation clips, fits to clip on shoulder straps of backpack, or on polo shirt, or on belt. Built-in 64GB storage, there will be plenty of space to store all video captured throughout your upcoming working days. X3H2 provides continuous recording of footage without any worries. All footage, pictures, audios can be easily playback via a 2 LCD monitor. A powerful 3000 mAh high-capacity high-energy polymer lithium battery lets you record footage up to 10 hours. Meet your long-term recording needs. The 3rd product on the list is the Akeso EK7000 Pro. 2-inch responsive touchscreen with IPS display makes control of this tiny but powerful action camera super easy. Setting, previewing, and shooting is easier than before. With the integrated electronic image stabilization, your Akeso EK7000 Pro action camera can deliver spectacularly smooth and steady videos. Akeso EK7000 Pro action camera features Ultra HD 4K 25 frames per second and 2.7K 30 frames per second video recording in 16MP images that enables you to capture every moment in crisp detail and unparalleled clarity. Equipped with the upgraded waterproof case, this underwater camera can deep dive up to 40 meters / 131 feet, ready to capture all details of your adventures. The 2nd product on the list is the GoPro Fusion. Fusion captures spherical video and photos, recording everything, so you can find the best shots later. Play it back in VR, or use Overcapture to create traditional videos and photos you can share right on your phone. Play back spherical footage that brings everyone into the moment with you. Create shockingly smooth videos without a gimbal. With ultra-smooth stabilization and 5.2K video, Fusion is like having a professional film crew with you wherever you go. The 1st product on the list is the Rexing P1 Body Cam. Police panic mode with 1 button press which plays a loud audible siren sound and flashes light. 1080p FHD recording. Rexing body-worn camera equipped with 6 infrared lights, captures clear footage up to 50 feet away in pitch-black darkness. As the ultimate security gadget, Rexing P1 offers great security throughout your upcoming shifts as a security guard, police officer, or bouncer. With the 170 degrees ultra-wide angle, it can capture much more information for the critical scene nearby. With the built-in 64GB storage, there will be plenty of space to store all video captured throughout your upcoming working days. The camera is extremely rugged and durable, capable of withstanding the harshest weather and working conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.